Visibility. That's the theme of today's video. These are the Yost high visibility combination pipe and bench vises. I have the 906HV next to me, but these are also available in the 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch versions. Both of those simply refer to the length of the jaw on the vise. These are traditional combination vises, but with a little added flair. They're all coated in a high visibility safety yellow, perfect for low light environments or buildings and job sites that require some extra safety measures. These are all constructed with cast steel, so plenty strong no matter what you're working on. On the top of the vise you have some hardened steel and serrated jaws that are even replaceable if you start to wear these ones down. Underneath that you have a set of permanent pipe jaws. These are great for holding your circular pieces of pipe or tubing and allow you to get a good grip without ruining your workpiece. These vises feature a full 360-degree swivel base, so you can adjust the vise exactly where you need it, and it's held in place with 2 lockdowns on the side. And with any good vise, we give you a nice anvil area on the back, perfect for beating some metal. If high visibility isn't for you, make sure you check out some of our other vises available in the Yost lineup. We offer everything from the machinist vises to woodworking vises, and of course, your traditional bench vises. For more information, click the link in the description or at the end of this video.